Are you ready to upgrade your driving safety and capture everything on the road with stunning clarity? Today on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're counting down the top 5 dashcams you can trust, with crystal clear footage, smart features, and unmatched reliability. Make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you use or plan to buy any of these. Alright, kicking things off at number 5 is the Rexing Viofo A129 Ultra HD. Now you might be thinking, Rexing at number 5, what's going on here? But trust me on this one, this dashcam is a little beast. It's compact, it's sleek, and it packs a serious punch for the price. We're talking 4K resolution, guys, 4K. That means you're getting super crisp detail in your footage. But it's not just about the resolution. The Rexing V14K also boasts a 170-degree ultra-wide lens. That's a seriously wide field of view, capturing pretty much everything happening in front of you. No blind spots here, and you know I love my tech to be reliable. Well, this one delivers. It's got loop recording, so you don't have to worry about running out of space on your memory card. Plus, there's a G sensor that automatically saves footage if it detects an impact. No more lost evidence. Oh, and did I mention it has built-in Wi-Fi? Yeah, you can connect to this bad boy with your phone, download footage, and even live preview what the camera sees. Super convenient. So, why is the Rexing V14K Ultra HD on this list? It's simple, affordability, discreet design, and rock-solid reliability. This is the perfect dashcam for drivers who want premium resolution without the premium price tag. You really can't go wrong with this one. Now, what if you need coverage in front and back? Let's move to our next pick. Coming in hot at number 4 is the Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. Now this one's for those of you who want the ultimate peace of mind on the road. We're talking front, rear, and interior recording, all in one sleek package. Let me tell you, having that 3-channel setup is a game changer. It's like having a 360-degree security system in your car. Whether it's capturing crazy driving in front, fender benders in the back, or even documenting what's happening inside the car, the Vantrue N4 has got you covered, and you know how much I value good night vision on my tech. Well, the Vantrue N4 doesn't disappoint. It's got infrared night vision, so even in low-light conditions, you're getting clear, usable footage. No more grainy, unusable messes. Another feature I love is the parking mode. This thing is always watching, even when you're not around. It's got motion detection, so if someone bumps your car in a parking lot, you'll have it all on camera. Evidence is key, people. Now, one thing to note is that the Vantrue N4 doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi. But honestly, that's a small trade-off for the level of coverage and peace of mind you're getting with this dashcam. Plus, it does support GPS, so you can track your routes and speed, always helpful. So, who's the Vantrue N4 3-channel for? It's perfect for rideshare drivers, parents who want to keep an eye on their teen drivers, or really anyone who values having that full coverage protection in their vehicle. You can't put a price on that kind of peace of mind. Is interior recording important to you? Let us know in the comments below. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Viofo A129 Pro Duo. And let me tell you, this one is for the video quality fanatics out there. If you're serious about capturing your drives in stunning detail, this is the dashcam for you. We're talking a dual camera setup here, folks. You're getting crisp 4K footage from the front camera and a solid Full HD 1080p from the rear. That means no matter what happens, you're capturing it all in beautiful clarity. No pixelated messes here, but it's not just about the resolution. The Viofo A129 Pro Duo also packs some serious tech under the hood. It's got built-in GPS so you can track your location and speed. Plus it's got Wi-Fi so you can easily connect to the camera, download footage, and even live preview what's happening in real time. And you know I love a good parking mode. The A129 Pro Duo comes through with a buffered parking mode, which means it starts recording a few seconds before an incident even happens. So, you're not just catching the aftermath, you're getting the whole story. Super helpful if someone tries to dispute a parking lot bump. One more thing I have to mention is the CPL filter compatibility. This is huge for anyone who wants to step up their video game. A CPL filter helps reduce glare and reflections, giving you even more vibrant and true-to-life footage. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. So, why does the Viofo A129 Pro Duo deserve a spot on this list? It nails that sweet spot between high-end specs and affordability. You're getting top-notch video quality, a ton of features, and reliable performance, all without breaking the bank. It's a no-brainer for drivers who demand the best. Hit that like button if you love ultra-clear video. Alright, we're down to the top two, and taking the number 2 spot is the Nextbase 622 GW. Now this one is for all the tech lovers out there. This dashcam is packed with so many smart features, it's practically a co-pilot. First off, let's talk video quality. The Nextbase 622 GW shoots in stunning 4K resolution at a smooth 30 frames per second. That means you're getting crystal clear footage with every detail captured flawlessly. No motion blur, no pixelation, just pure video goodness. But here's where things get really interesting. The Nextbase 622 GW comes with built-in Alexa integration. That's right, you can control this dashcam with your voice. Need to save a video? Just say, "Alexa, tell Nextbase to save the video." It's like having a personal assistant right there in your car. And speaking of safety, the 622 GW also has a potentially life-saving feature called Emergency SOS. If you're in an accident and unable to call for help, this dashcam can automatically send your location to your emergency contacts. It's a small feature that could make a world of difference in a critical situation. But wait, there's more. The Nextbase 622 GW also boasts enhanced night vision, so you can see clearly even in low-light conditions. Plus, it has 3 words geolocation, which gives you a precise 3-word address for your location, super helpful for emergency services. So, why is the Nextbase 622 GW number 2 on our list? It's simple. It offers a level of driver assistance and peace of mind that's unmatched in the dashcam market. It's a lifesaver in emergencies and a crystal clear recorder on the road. What more could you ask for? If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see our number 1 pick. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the top dashcam you can trust is the Garmin Dashcam 67W. This little guy might look unassuming, but trust me, it's a powerhouse. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is compact, incredibly smart, and trusted by thousands of drivers for its super wide lens and intuitive voice control. It's the complete package. Let's start with the video quality. The Garmin Dashcam 67W records in crisp 1440p HD with Garmin Clarity HDR. That means you're getting incredibly detailed footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether it's bright sunlight or dark shadows, this dashcam captures everything with amazing clarity. But what really sets this dashcam apart is its 180 degrees ultra-wide field of view. This thing captures everything happening in front of you and then some. No blind spots, no surprises, just a complete picture of what's going on the road. And you know how much I love voice control. Well, the Garmin Dashcam 67W has it in spades. You can control this thing completely hands-free. Need to save a video? Just say, "Okay Garmin, save video." Want to start recording audio? Easy, just say, "Okay Garmin, start audio recording." It's that simple. But the smart features don't stop there. The Garmin Dashcam 67W also comes with live view, which lets you see what the camera sees in real time on your smartphone. Plus, there's Parking Guard, which uses motion detection to alert you if someone bumps your car while it's parked. It's like having a security guard for your car, 24/7. And the best part? All of these amazing features are packed into a tiny, discreet package. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is so small it practically disappears on your windshield. You can mount it and forget about it until you need it. So, why is the Garmin Dashcam 67W our number 1 pick? It's simple. Garmin has knocked it out of the park with this one. They've combined top-tier video quality with a suite of smart features and intuitive voice control, all in a tiny package that's easy to use and even easier to live with. It's the ultimate driving companion. Let's recap our top 5 dashcams you can trust. 5 Rexing V1 4K Ultra HD 4 Vantrue N4 3-channel 3 Viofo A129 Pro Duo 2 Nextbase 622 GW 1 Garmin Dashcam 67W. Which one is your favorite, or are you using one already? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more expert reviews. Like, comment, and share this video to help others stay protected on the road.